Ladies and gentlemen, I've got a problem, and that problem is that Creative Fabrica is having such a huge sale, I'm struggling to find only 5 things to show off in this video. So I've picked 5 things kind of at random, and I'm going to show them right now. We're talking 50% off to 90% off on bundles, individual designs, and so much more. Let's jump in. Bundle number 1 is the Nordic Summer Ultimate Collection. 70 premium quality watercolor graphics. I think these look fantastic. They look great on a t-shirt. They look great on a coffee mug. You can use these, commercial license included. Fantastic. And you can tell too if something's really popular because the amount of favorites down below. You can see here over 2,000 people have added this to their favorites. This store is really doing well, and deservedly so, because these are beautiful looking graphics. Fox, owl, bears, birds. Fantastic. Bundle number 2 are coloring pages. We're talking 1,000 pages for KDP Interior, $3. That's right, you heard me correctly. 1,000 coloring pages, $3. You get 1,000 separate beautiful coloring pages. These are 300 DPI, which is dots per inch. And as you scroll down, you can see everything that's included. There's 50 pages here of mandalas, different mandala stuff, designs that are perfect inside of a coloring book, or you can use it for any reason, really. Bundle number 3 is all about dogs. Yes, it's the Dog Mega Bundle. Go to your couch cushions right now and scrape up $1, and $1 gets you the Mega Dog Bundle. And this Dog Mega Bundle is 54 dog doodles. These are actually like surprisingly hard to find online because there's so many different breeds. This can be a really lucrative niche if you're selling print on demand. And they've listed the different types of dogs next to the actual types of dogs. So Border Collie, Bernese Mountain Dog, and so on. These designs are great for t-shirts and coffee mugs, anything that a dog person may like. If you want to go mythological, let's take a look at bundle number 4, the Dragons Watercolor Clip Art. These are cute little dragons that are perfect for a kid's room, t-shirts. I love that little baby onesie there. These are fantastic. Great for a coffee mug. And what do you get for $1? You get 26 individual PNG files. Absolutely fantastic, beautiful designs. Bundle number 5 is aptly named the Huge Sublimation Bundle. We're talking 270 designs for $3, regularly priced at $73. You get gaming, dog lover, Valentine's Day, fishing, and the list goes on and on. What I love is when you scroll down to the bottom, it'll actually show you all the different bundles that are included. Here's just an example of one of the many bundles that's included. This is a retro vintage hiking sublimation bundle. And as you can see here, these are really nice. Now, if you're like me, you may not want to just download bundle after bundle after bundle. You may want to have access to everything on this site. That's right. We're talking literally millions of graphics and tens of thousands of fonts. And if that's the case, I would encourage you to check out the link in the video description below to my special page where you can try an actual subscription for just $1 for the first month. And after that, it renews at $19 US a month, which is a 35% discount. You get access to everything, and it does include commercial license. The beautiful thing about Creative Fabrica is if those 5 bundles aren't speaking to you, there's literally thousands and thousands more. And check out the sale prices: $1, $2, $3. These are heavily, heavily discounted. So I'd strongly encourage you to check out this summer sale happening on Creative Fabrica. Tons of stuff heavily discounted. Thanks a lot for watching. And here's another video on why I think Creative Fabrica could be the choice for you.